Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Oromode, an app produced by Philip, Dan, Wilson, and Russell. So Oromode teaches you how to earn commissions with the help of solo ads, Bing ads, and Instagram at a very low cost. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon down below for notifications, leave your comment, click the like, share, subscribe button. So what are some of the benefits of Oromode? I'll take you guys to the sales page. So this is what these guys are saying today, that with says rate, world's most beginner friendly buyer traffic and recurring commission system. So without product creation, videos, or any other experience. So and they're saying that it is 100% beginner friendly, 3-in-1 buyer traffic on demand in any niche, and easy recurring commissions, unique ultra low competition model, and no YouTube email list, social media experience, or product creation needed, and it takes just 20 minutes per day. So it's stacked with proof, real users making money in their first hour. So these are the benefits that these guys are saying that you get once you purchase this app. Okay guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details and also giving you a full demo of how this app really works. So guys, and also don't forget to click on the link in the description box below. That will take you to my page, because I have 5 awesome bonuses that I will be adding to this pack today if you purchase through my link. So it is on the description box. Click on the description box below. It takes you to my page, guys. This is the page, and these are my bonuses that I will be adding to them. Adding 5 bonuses. So the first one is worth $427.95, and you have access to goodwill. And the second one is access to a hack on how you build your Facebook following really fast. And the second one is a hack on how you build your first website in 3 easy steps. The third one is a hack an access to insurgency. And the fourth one, actually I've not been telling you guys the prices of this. The second one that I told you guys about is worth $46.95, and the third one is worth $344.95. Remember, it's the one that shows you how you build your first website in 3 easy steps. And then the fourth bonus that I'll be adding today is worth $267, and is the one that you have access to insurgency. And then the fifth, the last but not the least, is worth $197. Of course, you have access to all vendor bonuses. Guys, all you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page, and once you come to my page, if you click on this, it will take you maybe to Warrior Plus if you sign into Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So all you need to do is to click on the blue button right here where it says access affiliate bonus. So if you click on it, the bonuses will be added. And if it is through JVZoo, click where you see the red arrow right here, that click on it, and then the bonuses will be added. So guys, I've told you guys a little bit about the bonuses. Before we go into the demo video, let me quickly show you the pricing of this app. So the front end is $12.95. So you have access to the powerful Oromode software and training modules. The first upsell, which is the pro version, is $27, and you get advanced training. It says proven converting done for you pages for your WordPress, extra multiple resources for your campaign creation and campaign promotions. And then the upsell 2 is the Automode, and it's worth $37. So you get 30 of their best converting swipes to put Oromode into autopilot. And the third upsell is the done for you campaigns, which is worth $97, and you have done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and custom bonuses delivered. The fourth upsell, which is the unlimited traffic, is $97. So that one will allow customers to put their pixels on their sales page and have a digital email list. The fifth one, the fifth upsell, is the reseller rights and is worth $97. So you get the reseller rights to Oromode and enjoy commissions across the sales funnel. And guys, like I told you earlier, so these are some of the benefits that you get. You may be interested in getting. So you have easy recurring commission, unique ultra low competition, takes 20 minutes per day, and you have stacked, and it's stacked with proof real users making money in their first hour. So this is the sales page. Like I told you guys, I just dived in now. So these are some of the comments from users of this app. So this guy Bill Ang is saying that Oromode is by far the most straightforward strategies to start profiting online now. So traffic is the livelihood of online business, and with Oromode I have been making easy multiple recurring commissions from evergreen offers. So Manuel is saying that Automode is the right training to start to get results in lead creation and drive traffic to offers. I would fully recommend it to everyone who has no substantial results yet in the digital marketing and needs traffic to be successful. So guys, these four guys right here are the people that actually brought this app to life. We have Philip Johnson, Duncan, Wilson Nova, and Russell. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the names wrongly. I think it's Acom or something. I'm sorry about that. But then guys, okay, this is it says traffic is the number one thing that makes you money online. So basically they are telling you most of the things. Actually this is a repeat of most of the things that I already spoke about. And let's see if there's anything new that we can add to what we have said already. So it says, with Oromode, you're tapping into free traffic from social media powerhouses easier than ever before. You're creating your own traffic source. You can promote to 24/7, 365, and hacking low competition networks for premium traffic and maximum ROI. So guys, basically, like we have already I've already mentioned earlier, so this one is saying that is for free traffic domination, A to Z strategies for free traffic from top platforms, and you turning $1 into $5 and 247 promo machine recurring commissions. Okay guys, that's enough about the sales page. Let's see what the review video says. And this is actually what you get once you sign in. This is the member area. So if you purchase this app, I think this should be the first interface you will get to once you log in. So let's take a listen of what these guys have to say about the overview.
Hey there, welcome back to this second video of Oromode, and this is just a brief overview of all the content that you're going to find here inside of this members area. I'm going to show you several things: how to find the right offers to promote inside of Water Plus, JVZoo. We will have a training in copyright headlines and all the rules that you have to keep in mind if you want to create that content on your own. I'm also going to show you how to set up your autoresponder so you can capture those email addresses from your potential customers. And later on, if you want to retarget them, you can do it by sending emails with the new offers. Also, if you decide to go for the upgrades, then your autoresponder is going to be the must have for your arsenal of marketing tools. I'm going to show you how to build squeeze pages, bridge pages, and all of this with the help of our autoresponder. I'm also going to show you how to make sales, and to do this we need to learn how to get approved for those affiliate links. We are going to drive traffic to our pages, so I'm going to show you how you can use paid traffic effectively, how to get the best cost per action, how to get the traffic from Instagram. All of these are methods that I've been using since I get started in the affiliate marketing. I'm still using it, and all of those work for me 100%. I'm going to show you how to get free traffic through Facebook. And if you do this, you're gonna bring the passive income forever. All you need to do is give 20 minutes of your time every single day. And if you take action and do all of this, you're gonna start to see those passive sales coming in. Well, that's it in a nutshell. This is all that you're gonna find here inside of this method. If you want some additional upgrades, you can find them at the.
So guys, this is the members area like I told you, and this is the overview of everything um, that is contained here. So from here you can the buttons on the left, you can find where they have like find the right offer. If you click on it, there's a video that will demonstrate and show you how you can go about that. So the same applies to all these things, all these options right here where it says get your auto tools, 10K headline formula, preparing the gold stack, and unleash the aura power, stuff like that. So these are just the trainings. It depends on um, which type of which offer or which pack you are getting. So if you're getting all the upgrades, you probably will have access to all of these things. But for the front end, is basically the software and then modules on how this app really works. So guys, that is about it for that is about just about the members area. Let's see if okay, we've pretty much covered everything on the sales page. So but guys, don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below, because it takes you to my page where you have access to my bonuses, guys. That is it from me to you today. So you guys do take care, stay safe. Hopefully this will work for someone and someone is in need of this app. If it is something you like, do not hesitate to click on the link that is in the description box below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.